Hello everyone. In the last lecture video, we talked about the types of loads. In this lecture, we will take an example of that for better understanding of the types of loads. So, the question is, what are the types of loads acting on a member shown in the figure? Let's talk about the solution. First, let's mention the axis. We know that the x and the y axis are transverse axis, whereas z is the longitudinal axis. Let's make a mention about these things. Now, we can see that P is the normal load acting to the surface and along the longitudinal axis. Hence, load P is an axial load. Load Q is acting normal to the surface but is parallel to the longitudinal axis. Hence, load Q is eccentric axial load. Now, let's talk about load S. Load S is acting parallel to the surface and passes through the longitudinal axis. Hence, load S is transverse shear load. Similar to load S, load T is also acting parallel to the surface and passes through the longitudinal axis. Hence, load T is also transverse shear load. Load U is parallel to the surface but does not pass through the longitudinal axis. Hence, load U is eccentric transverse shear load, or we can also call it as eccentric TSL. Thank you for watching the video, students. Please like and subscribe our channel Ekeeda.